Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape emails from Google. So first thing first, you want to open your browser and then on our search page, you want to make a search using this quotation right here. All right. So you want to make a search with this quotation right here. All right. So we are searching for dentist in Los Angeles with gmails.com. Right. Then you're going to search. So once you make this search, all right, to verify the amount of emails that we have on this page, you can just click on Control F, okay, and just type in Gmail. So we have about 7 to 8 Gmails on this list right here. So if you check the next list, you're gonna see more. All right. So now that we've got the data, the emails, some of the emails that we need. So now we need to extract this data. So to extract this email, we try to extract it one after the other. It's going to take time. So to extract this email, we need to use an extension. And you want to open a new tab and search for mail extractor. So once it loads up, you want to make sure you click on email extractor Chrome Web Store. This so once load up, then click on add. Alright, then you want to click on add extension. Email extractor has been added to Chrome. Move back. So what you want to do next is this extension. Find the email extractor extension. So here it is. So we're gonna pin it. Okay. So now that we've done that, what we need to do is just refresh this page. Just refresh this page. As you can see, it has already taken 11 emails. That's already extracted. As you can see, it has already extracted 11 emails. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to extract emails from email extractor. So once you have your email, okay, you can just copy everything, or you can just click on the copy all and then paste it to whatever you want to use it, or you can open your Excel and paste it into your Excel. Okay, so it's pretty easy to use. All right, so if you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.